Hello everyone and welcome to an introduction to Microsoft Teams video calling. First, I'll be showing you how to download and install Microsoft Teams for the first time. First, you'll open up any browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. You can use Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, and then you'll just be Googling Microsoft Teams. And from there, we'll be able to locate the link for download Microsoft Teams on any device. Then you can either click the Download Teams button at the top or scroll down to find the different versions that Microsoft Teams uses. I'll be using the 64-bit, as will most, and then you'll click on the program to run it immediately when it's finished downloading. Once it's finished downloading, it'll open up a prompt like this, and it'll be initializing and installing Microsoft Teams onto your device. After that, I'll be showing how to create a Teams account. So then you go to the bottom and you find sign up for free. You click on that and then it'll open up a browser. It'll open up a prompt for you to type in an email. This does not have to be a Microsoft email. It can be any email. For this, I'll be using a test Gmail account that I created. And so after you type in your email, you click next. And then it'll ask, we don't have an account for you, so create a new one. And then you create a password and then click next, and it'll send a verification email to you, and you'll just have to fill out the code, and then you get to decide if you like information, tips, and offers from Microsoft. I choose not to, and then you click next. It'll load for a little bit, and then you must fill in your first name, your last name, and then the company that you belong to, and also your country or region. But you'll be filling in your own company name. Then you click Set Up Your Teams, and it'll create your account and then establish it within Microsoft Teams. It'll sign you in as well. After that, it'll show this page, and you'll want to click Launch It Now to launch in the desktop app for Microsoft Teams. And then you can go ahead, type in your new email account that's connected with your Microsoft account, and then click Sign In, and it'll ask for your password. And then after you type in your password, it should launch the Teams desktop app for you. Once it's launched the desktop app, you'll see this Welcome to Teams. You'll click Continue once you select the company that you're part of or the team. And then it'll load through here. It'll be launching your Microsoft Teams for you. And now you see this starter page. First, it'll go through a couple things that Teams can do. You can go through these or read them if you haven't done it before. Next, I'll be showing how to log into Teams with an already created account. You will enter in your Microsoft email address in the sign-in address line. Type that in, and then click Sign In, just like regular. Then you'll type in your password, and click Sign In again. After that, it will launch Teams page, and you'll be seeing the page that you'd see every time when you'd log in. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new team and add members or guests to that team. First, you'll go to the bottom left and click on Join or Create a Team, and then click on Create a Team. And for this, we'll be building a team from scratch. So click on that, and you can either choose private or public. For this, I'll be choosing private. You'll create a team name and then give a description to your team if you would like. The only difference between a private and public team is that a public team, anyone can join. You don't need an invite. And for a private team, you will need an invite from an admin or the owner of the team. And so here we can either add members that are already using Teams that are part of your company, or someone who is not part of your company that does not share the domain, and that will be a guest. And then it sends out those emails and invites them automatically. Now I'll be showing how to add a member to an already existing team. You'd go to the team on the left side, right click, and then click on Add Member. Once you come up here, you'll be typing in the email address or contact name that you already have, and this can be someone within the company or outside of the company as well. And it'll send out those emails, and then you'll click close. Next, I'll be showing you how to set up Teams from an email invite that you receive. So for this, you'll receive an email that looks like this, and you'll click on Open Microsoft Teams, the purple box, and then you'll come up with this prompt. Click Continue, and then it will be switching you to your other account. It'll be signing you in, and it may come up with a prompt to sign in, but this is just bringing you over to Teams from that email. Once you come up here, it'll show this prompt, joining Teams as a guest. It explains a couple things that Teams can do, and then you're ready to use it. It'll just show your regular dashboard. Now I'll show how to start a video conference within Teams. So you'll be on your regular posts page, and then you'll go to the bottom and click on the Meet Now button. It's a little camera, and once you do that, you can add the subject of your meeting, and then you can click Meet Now to actually start that meeting. This is an impromptu meeting. Later, I'll be showing how to schedule a meeting. Now you're within the meeting and you'll see other people. We're just gonna hang up so I can move on to the next thing. Now I'll show you how to join a video conference within Teams. Here you will see a pop-up of a purple box that says Meeting Now. That meeting was just started, and you'll be able to click Join right there. Once you've clicked Join, you can have the option to turn on or off your camera or microphone before you join, and then you'll just click Join automatically, and then you'll head into the call. Now I'll be showing you how to make a call within Teams, but not necessarily a conference call. You'll go to the left side of the dashboard and click on Call. And then within this, you can show your speed dial area, and you can add people to that area with their contact or email. And you can also go to the bottom left over here and type in the name of the person that you'd like to call. Once you start that call, you can either choose a regular voice call or a video call. And a cool feature is you can actually leave a voicemail for the people that you're calling. Now I'll show you how to answer a call within Teams and add participants once you're in that call. So for this, you'll see a box pop up on the bottom right of the screen. And once that box pops up, you can either choose to answer with voice or just call. Now once you're within the team call itself, you can go to the bottom where it'll show you Show Participants. You'll click on that button, and then you can come up and actually add people to the call. So for this, I'll just be adding Dylan, and then it automatically starts calling him so he could answer with voice or video as well. Now I'll show you how to schedule a video conference within Teams. So for this, you'll go to the regular posts page, and you cannot be a guest and schedule a call, but you can do that as a regular team member. So what you'll do is click that Meet Now camera button and then schedule a meeting. And then for this, you can actually choose the title of your meeting. You can add required attendees. You can add optional attendees. Then you can set the time and date of the meeting, and you can set which team it's for, and then you can add details to the meeting as well. Once you've created all that, you'll hit the send button at the top right, and then it'll pop up on the post page so other people can see that there is a meeting scheduled there, and they can join that later when it actually starts. Or you can view it on the calendar page, which is at the far left, and you'll see those on your calendar.